Let me welcome on board our chartists, Kunal Bothra, Nooresh Merani, and talk about what they're making of the market mood right now. Kunal, hi, morning. Let me start off with you. Flat close, although a volatile intraday move. What are we headed in for?
Good morning. So I believe more of the same. For the next couple of days at least, I would probably expect the index to consolidate. We were discussing this, yesterday also, that the indices could remain into a range over here. So the good part is that we've stabilized, for the index, at 25,000 marks, say plus minus 100, 200 points for the Nifty, and some outperformance coming back into the Bank Nifty because of the way the Bank Nifty had been correcting. So almost there was a 4,500 plus point correction for the Bank Nifty, and I think that context, maybe the recovery for the Bank Nifty or the intraday or the bounce could be a bit more steeper or higher as compared to the Nifty. But the critical part about the charts for the Nifty as well as for the Bank Nifty is that both of these indices are now nearing or closing below their 50-day moving averages. So this is the third consecutive close for the Nifty, for example, for itself below its 50-day moving average. So the more it sustains as well as stays below the 50-day moving average, I think there could be concerns which could be emerging over the near term, and maybe the markets could probably get back into a retest of the previous low. So net expecting the index to consolidate for the next couple of days, but if we sustain below the 50-day moving average further, then I think there could be more selling pressure coming by.
All right, Nooresh, let's get in a sense as to what you're tracking when it comes to the markets, given the fact that you did again see the frontliners see a fairly somber move as compared to what the broader markets threw up. What's your outlook?
So yesterday was a day where the leaders actually took a pause, and that should continue even today. So pharma and IT were the names which were holding on even in the market correction. Day before, we actually saw a new all-time high on the Nifty Pharma index, and it took a downtick yesterday. So overall, we are getting into a consolidation mode wherein the leadership is changing, the rotation is happening. Bank Nifty for a change saw positive move compared to the Nifty. So out here, expecting this consolidation to continue. I think we are getting into a tighter range wherein 24,700 becomes an important price point. And on the upside, 25,400 could be the range. So for now, we are stuck in this range. It's only when we break 24,700, we get into a further downside tick.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.